my name is Kaitlin Pierce, and welcome to my Dice Lab. I'm a college professor by day and a mad dice scientist by night. My mission is to provide dice making and resin working wisdom to the community with as much explanation and experimental evidence as possible. I'll do the testing and experiments so that makers just getting started, or maybe who don't have the time or energy to do the experiments, don't have to. Take a look around this channel and explore, and if you like what you see, think about liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell for notifications of new content. If you would like to provide additional support for the materials and equipment that go into these experiments, you can head on over to my Ko-fi page at ko-fi.com/KaitlinPierce to see current crowdfunding goals and future reward opportunities that will be exclusive to supporters. Take a look around the channel and enjoy. And as always, happy dicing!